What's happening, everyone? Got another hard reset for you. Today we're doing the Vortex HD60. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset on a device, you will delete all the data. So if you have anything important on the phone, it will be deleted, so just keep that in mind. Also, guys, we're posting a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns, so if you haven't yet, appreciate it if you guys subscribe, like, and share, all that great stuff. But other than that, let's get right into it. Make sure the phone's off. You can either pull the battery or just turn it off. So phone's off. You have your volume up, volume down, and power. And what we're gonna do is hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'll start holding volume up first, and then hit the power button. And it gets us to this reset menu. Volume up scrolls, and then volume down selects. So we hit recovery, then we hit volume down to select recovery. It gets us to this no command screen. To bypass this, we have to hit power and volume up at the same time. So I usually like to just hold power and then tap volume up and just let go relatively fast so you don't activate this reboot. Then we use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, factory data reset, hit the power button again, and data's wiping, data's wiped. Now we'll just hit the power button again for it to reboot. This will take you to the welcome screen. You can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it back up. And hopefully this will fix your issue. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We do appreciate it if you guys could like, share, comment, and all that great stuff. We'd always appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.